Hello everybody, this is my Global Leadership Philosophy slide deck. My name is Alyssa Lemieux. I am a marketing major. I'm not 100% sure yet what it is I want to do. So, still learning these valuable skill sets, and everything during this class is still going to help me be the effective leader that I do want to be when I do figure out what it is I want to do. Definitely want to do something in business. But yeah. A relational leadership model. It is important to have relation leadership if you plan to be an effective leader. Inclusiveness is very important for many different reasons. Not a single person on this planet knows everything. So if you just tell everyone what to do and don't listen or respect your employees, you could be missing out on important or useful information. It is also super important to value people and make it known that you value them for their time and their efforts. If you don't allow others to let their voices be heard, they may feel resentment and may not perform well at their job. Everything you do with purpose, especially if you are a leader. Being a leader, you need to make known the clear goals so everyone knows what goals they are working towards. Having a clear purpose allows for no distractions. Being an ethical person sometimes can be a little hard, let alone an ethical leader, because ethics really isn't black and white. It's not like, right or wrong. Ethics is like the gray line in between, but it is obvious in the workplace what is considered right and what is considered wrong. Being an ethical leader can establish trust between you and your employees. They can depend on you to lead them in the right direction. Empowerment is a big one. Everyone has had bad days, and a little extra push can make a world of a difference. I've had the privilege to work with a leader who was great at empowering me and my fellow employees. There were days I didn't want to do so good, and I was kind of down, and he brought me so much energy and made me want to do good for myself and for the company. Empowerment brings efficiency to the company. Social change model. The social change model, it's really important to understand yourself and others in order to make a societal change. The social change model consists of 3 components or clusters. They are individual values, group values, society and community values. The 7 C's, also the 7 values, include consciousness, congruence, commitment, collaboration, common purpose, controversy, and citizenship. Leadership and social change is said to be purposeful, collaborative, and values-based, which results in a positive social change. In a social change model, leadership is collaborative, and it is a process. It's not a position, and it is very inclusive. So it's accessible to all people, definitely value-based, and it's all about making an impact, change on others. Global concept. So global leadership is when a leader is leading people who are in different regions of the world, different parts of the world. These leaders do have to engage and communicate with other stakeholders and colleagues that are very diverse in order to get the job done. So they just expanded overseas. And so good skills to be a global leadership is definitely having experience overseas. You need to have a good self-awareness. You need to have humility. You need to have good global strategic thinking. And you need to really understand and have respect for other cultural diversities, because you don't want to ever disrespect anyone on accident. And I guess I thought global strategic thinking was super important because I put it twice. So obviously global leaders are going to be working with people from other countries, whether they're clients or colleagues. They may have to speak another language, so being bilingual is definitely a plus, because people are going to be coming from all different nationalities. So definitely being bilingual, I think, is a really good one. But yeah, so that is my PowerPoint. Sai, thank you so much for listening.